Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is King Sam, and today we are going to be learning how to make this amazing wiggle effect using an expression on After Effects. And without talking too much, let's get right into the video. First of all, you open up a new composition, 920 by 1080, 24 frames per second, and click OK. Next, we're going to do is we're going to come up here, click on our ellipse tool. If you cannot see it, click and hold here and find your ellipse tool. Now hold down shift and draw your circle. You hold down shift so that the circle can be proportional. If not, you're going to draw some nonsense like this. Okay, now next we're going to do is let's close this up. Click on P to open up your position property. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is alt click on this stopwatch here to open up your edit tab. Now we're going to type in wiggle.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. It phone. I like to see you wiggle wiggle.
Press your enter key. And now the first thing I'm going to type is for the speed. So the first value is for the speed. So let's use 3 for our speed. Put a comma, and the next value is how many times you want it to move during that time frame. So let's use 300. Now when you are done, you can click out, and now if we play it back, and now you can see the randomness of the movement. This has multiple use cases. For example, if you want to make a shot that was shot on a tripod to have a little bit of handheld motion, you can use this expression in it. So as a motion designer, as a motion graphic expert, you actually need this wiggle effect for your videos. You can also use it to make a strobe effect by, you can come down here and open this up again. Let's use opacity, that is T. Now you alt click opacity. Same thing, type in wiggle. Say 3, 300. And let's click out. So when you play this back too, you can see it fading in and fading out. So guys, thank you for watching this short video. Remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Till then,